Welcome into something that I see. Here is the binary. Before I get into the roulette part about this, here is the binary 101, okay, understanding where each one of the numbers, first we get 1, okay, if we have nothing, okay, we get nothing, right? But here we have 1, then we get 2, then we get 4, 8. So we want the total of 21. Okay, inside the total of 21, it's 10101. Understanding the center of both sides, 0, 1, 0, 1, 10, 10 to the one world, which is actually 111. When you go to 111, right, 37, 37, 37, this will be the twin towers coming down, 10, 11, 21, that's your blackjack. This becomes 2, this becomes 3, this becomes 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4, that is your vibration, that is your B. This becomes 6, becomes 7, becomes 8, 9, becomes 7, and 2, Winter Big Red Sun. This becomes 1 and 8. Angel Heaven. Now it's funny that when we run up to this one, okay, it said, I mean, for me, the way this is calculated, okay, I have to understand this is saying 21, and this area, it says counting by tens. Where is it? Counting by tens. When you rather weight increases by powers of 2. Well, when you have 10 and you have 2, here 10 is a complete, right? It has a passage in 10. 4, 1, 1, 4. It's a passage, okay? That's what it is. The top part of the glass is empty. To create this, you need 2 times 5 and 2 plus 5 to create 10 and 7, which is the gateway, B and E. 2 and 5, the numeric value for Earth. Okay, so when we go down a little bit further down here, okay, we get a value of, first of all, 15 area Mars, 1, 1, and 1. This is the gateway F, which is 6, which is 1 more than E, just like A. Okay, D is the outlet for C, and E is the outlet for F. It's below and above. Okay, below and above. And what I wanted to say about this is that 111 is the top floor for the Twin Towers. Christ and the gateway is all 777, 73, Win a Big Red Sun. This is perfect. When you come to this one over here, you end up with 2 over here and 8 over here equaling to 10. Okay, bar mitzvah, bat mitzvah, 13 and 12, A and B creation, 10 and 11, 21 blackjack. Now there's another numeric value over here I wanted to show you, which was really, really neat. It's really, one of them is the jump from decimal, binary to octal, where they jump from 7 to 10. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2. 10 times 10 times 10, the 3 worlds meet. 37 is that gateway, which is the cube. 21 and 10, 31, the altered current represented inside the moon, which is the 3 gateways. Okay, you turn that thing and you got 1, 2, 3. If you're in a feeding system, right, you fill up 2 pallets and you blow 1 pallet, and you need a pallet on top to block. You need a pallet on the bottom to be able to shoot your feed, and you need the 2 empty spaces for the air. You never want air between that. Anyways, 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 shows the difference. 7 and 8 is the separation. 1 times 7, the tea party, the filtration. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7. See the way hexadecimal comes up to the same answer. Here, 14 and 15, which is the beginning of pi, and inside of pi, we get 33, creation of F. 7 and 8, 5 and 6, F and the gateway. So if I understood this a little bit more, let's change this up. This one, instead of equaling to this, it'll equal to 9. It'll equal to 5, 9, 7. All zeros will equal to 6. But in this scenario, we're going to put all zeros to equal to 4. And the reason we're going to do this is because either we're should we do it for 4 or should we do it for 3? Because the minute you hit 4, okay, corners, you automatically, see, 3 creates the half space triangle, but the 4th corner creates the totality. So all you have to do is 1 extra corner to create. So 288 times 1.25 will equal to that 360 whatever dimension. Raphael 70, 286 in a constellation of Pegasus. There's one other thing I wanted to mention was in this little design here, where we have the calculator where all the odd numbers can create an X together. The inside creates the O. So O equaling to 20, Okay, and the outside 7913 equals to 2020. The X gets the 5. It's 2520, or the letter T and Y. Earth and the bridge to Earth. Here we connect 8 and 6, 14, 6 and 2, 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 12. So we connect 12 and 8. 2 times 6, 2 plus 6. We create 14 and 10. 5 times 2, 7 times 2. This is the DC world. When 12 o'clock, okay, when 12 o'clock or the 24th hour comes to 3 o'clock or the 15th hour, left and Mars, creation of 6, creation of the red sun, opposition and the bridge between 8 and 12. 8 and 3 is the church. Now let's count at the steeple. So we're going to run the steeple. Inside of here becomes 10. Because why? Because straight down we can't count the 5. It's red. And across, this is the rotator, right? If we're fueling into the rotator and spitting out here, let's call it the valve. Let's call it 1 way in and 7 ways out, right? What about the runoff water? So we have 14 and we have 10. 6 times 4, 6 plus 4 is 24 and 10. 24 and 10 is 34. 24 minus 10 is 14. So that's where this DC numeric value, which this will go up to 16, creating 36 out of these two. This will also go down as communication, and 7 and 5, which is now located in the moon. 7 and 5 will create at the end 7 and 8. 7 and 5 will create 3 and 8, the church. 14, 50, 10 becomes 16, becomes 7 and 5. 57, 5 and 7 is 12, it creates 3. 10 and 14, that's up and down and crisscross. It's this and it's this, creating the 10. So it crisscrosses here and connects, and it crisscrosses here and connects to that 10 world. 10 times 10 is 100. 15 times 15 is 225. 9 times 25, 225. 225 is the rotation of this little ball between going on this side or on this side. This will create 216, cycle 216 moon, and on this side it'll create 234 vibration, 666, creating the 90 degrees. What is this? That's in between your 90-degree angle. The halfway point over here will be 225. 0.9 to the left or 0.9 to the right of the area space 0.9 you're using for the halfway will either be 1 this way or 1 this way. Minusing 9 is giving it 225 minus 9. 225 plus 9 equals to 234, and that is your vibration to 666. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.